Go! Now you're off, Pat.
Stop it. We've got to use this down at the hairdresser. Use it the next time.
Yeah.